This is the Safeline unit that we got in from Paul Reeder at the Candy Company. I've replaced the parts that I ordered a couple of days ago and installed them, and these are the results that I get using the pinout that Paul supplied for me. Notice it passes self-test. It gives an EEPROM, double EEPROM error, which is normal. And it goes into its balancing routine. All of this is very similar to what the Syntex auto search would do. And then it'll stop after a few seconds and it'll give a circuit fault. And I believe what it's looking for is the coil unit. But as you can see, the display does come up and it goes through its self-test and passes it. If it didn't pass, it would stop. If it's like the Syntex, then it tests this whole electronics assembly here as far as the outputs. So I'm really not sure what's going on here. So